The warning message, Allowance Offset Failed, indicates that the tool may be wrong or the offset size may be wrong. I have a 1-inch circle to create a pocket from. I choose my 1/4-inch end mill, and my pocket allowance I set to, mistakenly, 22 inches. I hit calculate and the error shows. It is not the tool's problem, it's the pocket allowance that's the problem. If I change the pocket allowance to 0.22 inches and hit calculate, you'll see that the toolpath is generated. It moves inwards from the selected vector by the amount I indicated, 0.22. If I change that pocket allowance to -2 inches, you'll see when I hit calculate that the toolpath is generated, but it is cut outside of the circular vector chosen by the 2 inches. Be careful of your numbers. Thanks for watching. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future videos. And if you have any questions or comments, you can contact us at mm@mezalick.com. Enjoy!